Today on Mr. Music Man TV.
All right, little monkeys, let's get ready for our lesson today. 5 little monkeys jumping on a bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. All right, Big Box Kid, let's go to 4.
4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. All right, Mr. Music, it's your turn again. 3 little monkeys, let's go.
3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. All right, Big Box Kid, I think I'm dreaming.
Oh, little monkey, stop jumping on the bed before you fall down and bump your little head. Ho, 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 ho.
Back to the song. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. All right, Mr. Music, you up. 1 little monkey. Here we go.
1 little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. All right, everybody, let's sing it.
No little monkeys jumping on the bed. None fell off and bumped their heads. Called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed.
All right, I'm done dreaming.
Oh, little monkey, stop jumping on the bed before you fall down and bump your little head. Ho, 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 ho.
High pitch, baritones here.
Okay, Mom. Don't tell me, are you still watching a Mr. Music Man show? It's good, but you are obsessing over it. I love my Mr. Music Man. It's so much fun. I just can't take my eyes off of it, especially Shay. I know it's fun, but boy, you ain't doing nothing else. My grandpa always said there's a time for everything, and everything has its time. Have you even been practicing your piano? Did you say something? Shay's teaching us a new dance. Okay, I'm going home. I can see now you're in La La Land.
Are you still up? Close the computer and go to sleep.
Good morning, class. Let's get started. You have a pop quiz today. 2 questions. All right, I know. Everyone settle down. First question. A quarter note rest equals 1 count. If I play 4 quarter notes on the drum, how many beats of sound will I hear? 1, 2, 3, 4. Second question. A quarter note rest equals 1 beat of silence. Okay. Everyone listen carefully. If I see 4 quarter rest, how many beats of silence will I count? Shh. 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 Okay, class, you try.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Great job. Okay, Tanner, your time. Count 4 quarter notes.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm so proud of you guys. Fantastic job.
Oh yeah, he aced it.
Okay. High pitch. Count 4 quarter rest. High pitch.
Oh, he's resting all right. That's a rest note, all right. But it's not silent.
Wake up, high pitch!
And now it's time for awesome music stuff.
Now it's time to play a game about dynamics. Say it with me, dynamics. Nice job. Now with this game, you can grab any instrument, sing, or just clap your hands. I'm gonna play on my drum. Now I'm gonna call out different dynamic names for you to play on your instrument. If I say piano, you gotta play or sing nice and soft. If I say mezzo, you gotta sing or play a little louder, but not too loud. And if I say forte, you gotta sing and clap as loud as you can. Are you ready? Let's play. Piano. That's right, nice and soft. Mezzo. Very good. Just down the middle. Not too loud, not too soft. Forte! That's right, nice and loud!
We interrupt awesome music stuff to bring you this important message.
Zazie, wievers.
Hey, Mom and Dad, be sure to help your children say and use our word of the day this week. And if you and your kids are enjoying our classes, smash our subscribe button and follow us on Facebook and Instagram to be the first to receive our latest class every week. And if your child wants more Mr. Music Man, you can go to MrMusicManCompany.com/TV, where you can find classes from all of our Mr. Music Man locations all together in one place.